Hello and welcome back to our channel. Give you an update. We finally got to put the wheel lights on it, and they're not exactly the ones we was wanting. The other ones got a better pattern, but these was like $185. And then I also got the truck cleaned up today. It's hard to see, sun. Got to wash it today, and we're gonna try see what the wheel lights look like tonight. Got to paint that brake caliper there, but the wheel needs painted a little better. We're gonna go to a thing called Apple Harvest, but I think they canceled this year because of COVID. And we'll see if they're doing anything. I know tonight's fireworks, and then tomorrow there's supposedly a car show. We might put the truck in the car show, and they're having some kind of Civil War reenactment tomorrow. And I'll try to videotape the wheel lights later on tonight to see what they look like. Alright, it's almost dark now. It's another hour and a half. That's what it looks like so far. Got to turn the red light on the grill. Alright, so we'll go over here and wait until it's dark, watch the fireworks, and see what it looks like at nighttime. This light here, oh, it's on purple. You can barely even see it. You can't even tell it's even on, but it's on purple right now. Oh, it's different colors.
Oh yeah.
We'll be able to adjust it later on. Alright, so far we were supposed to go to fireworks tonight, but they said it's going to be tomorrow night now. I got the red, or the white rock lights, the red rock lights, and the blue wheel lights on. The red, white, and blue effect. Looks pretty cool. I like that. And then there's the button at. Still trying to work this remote. Oh, which one the white one by setting. And then I need to be able to change the other rock lights too, or the other, yeah, rock lights. It's all lit up now. I can't get the wheel lights to sync, but the rock lights will sync to the music, so. Where'd you go? Oh, you're up there. Oh, I forgot about the grill lights. You got the grill lights on? Yeah. Now you can see the grill lights. I wish they was brighter. I'm gonna eventually put brighter ones in it. But that's what I got for now. What? I don't know. So if we don't get to go to the fireworks, this will be the end of the video. If we get to go to fireworks, we'll record some of the fireworks and maybe go tomorrow. We're doing a corn maze now. I forgot to film earlier when we entered the truck into the car show. Man, this corn's short this year, ain't it? You can see her top of the corn. Which way do you want to do?
Go this way. Let's walk while we do it.
Just 3. Oh no, that's 6.
Which way are we going, left or right?
This way? I don't know. Let's go that way.
This
the
way?
The corn is shorter than usual.
Yeah, it is. You can see her top of it. Normally it's tall.
I know. I was getting ready. I wanted to scare her.
All right.
You know, it got way too hot.
We'll go right then. Corn's kind of short this year. You can see over it. It's for all the short people, I guess. This is the short people year 2021.
Imagine trying to do it with the corn maze.
We're at number 7 right now.
She'd scream.
We never found 6 yet.
Shoot, not even come in.
Corn's very low this year.
Let's go get Gabriel.
They're free, I'm pretty sure.
No, there's silence.
You got it?
Okay, this flips over real quick.
That thing right there, every year it seems like it's gonna fall over. It's getting worse. It's actually leaning sideways now. The whole thing just shakes. And Margie's up there shaking her butt, but I can barely even see her.
Exactly.
We found number 9. 1 to go. We know where it's at. Don't know the answer. All right. We found all 10 of them. Now we're headed back out. We did it pretty fast too. Wasn't sure about the last question. I wanted to wait. And sure enough it was breathing. So that's what the puzzle looks like. Looks like a tree with or the corn maze looks like a tree with the 21 on top of it. I have the white rock lights turned off. I got the blue wheel lights on and the red underglow on. And I think the fireworks are getting ready to start because the fire alarm or fire whistle just went off. So we'll record a little bit of fireworks and I think it looks pretty cool. I'm hoping people start watching my videos and commenting and see what they say about the truck. I think it looks really cool. We're finally letting them off. Only an hour later. And they changed spots on us. We thought we was on the good side, now we're on the bad side.
Nobody was expecting it. We're to turn around.
I know. Yeah. The exhaust, nice and warm here. I guess I probably should turn the lights off now, right? I should turn the truck off now.
If you want to.
It's really smoky down that way already. Can't see on camera, but don't know. See how bad it is in there?
Yeah, let's see. Traffic's tough too.
I know. Here's somebody driving a little fast, I think. A little fast focus there. Or he thought so. Two of them. It's a little smoky down there. Still can't see the camera. There with that car right there. What kind of car is it? Ford Escape. Not yet. 8:45. Boom. Somebody left a big fart. Look at the smoke coming here now. Here it comes. It's like a fog. The movie The Fog. If we had the lights on, it would be reflecting them. There's a diesel. 5-speed. There are lights on. I figured he was going to get on it the way it sounded. He never did turn the lights on. Oh, he's got his headlights on, but he ain't got no tail lights. He's going to get pulled over. Here's the finale. That can't be all, is it? That can't be all, is it?